Hi, today I will show you how to add effects to text messages on an iPhone. To use text effects in iMessage on your iPhone, start by opening the Messages app and selecting the conversation where you want to send your message. Type out the message you'd like to send, but don't press the send button just yet. Instead, press and hold the send arrow, the blue arrow on the right. This will bring up the Send with Effects screen. At the top, you'll see two options, Bubble and Screen. Under Bubble, you can choose different effects for the text itself, like slam, loud, gentle, or invisible ink. If you want to apply effects to the whole screen, switch to the Screen tab. Swipe left or right to preview the effects, then select the effect you want and tap the send arrow again to send your message with the chosen effect. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel and will help me making more videos like this.